Hi, welcome back to the Trying Dutchman. Today's episode is about the most, or maybe the most favorite building on the property, the outhouse. Of course, beside the barn, the garage, the whatever. But the outhouse must have been there for 100 years or more, so don't want to dig into history. The John Deere, my famous John Deere, was able to lift it and move it to the roadside where we could start painting, well, we, Tammy, and matching the colors with the main house. It blended beautifully in. It was like it has always been there. What do you do with it? Of course, plant a little garden around it. Uh, Luckily, Trayton volunteered to do that. Mulch, some iron work, and it looked really great. Again, like it's always been there. Tulips from Holland. Now, why do you have that thing there? What are you going to do with it? Well, what do you do in case it rains or the wind is blowing and you have to go to school? Of course, you hide in an outhouse, waiting for the school bus. Oh yeah, perfect. Couple of Christmas lights, full moon on the background, and look at that. Again, one with the house. We love it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe or like or both. We enjoy making them, so see you next time.